So hi, hello everyone, and welcome back to ARC Haircut. So today we're going to be learn something like convex layer haircut, and also do something little different part. In this haircut, it will be medium shoulder length. You're going to be seeing multiple things and techniques. You're going to be learning one of the favorite subjects I ever met before after any of haircut. Creativity haircut is one of them, and this haircut is ultimately and one of my favorite haircut too. I'm just taking to the big horseshoe section for separating for top. Rest of the subsection as usual I'm just taking to ear back, and the back portion also top of the nape area I'm just going to be separating on it. So this can be give some sufficient layers, and apart from this saving the length, it will be whatever this length remains, it will be keep it to the same, and top of that it will be given to the something extremely ultimate bouncier layer. So back portions also we're just going to be taking out to the subsections overall, and this is kind of it will be something different, and it more like aesthetic, more bouncier look. It's creativity, hide and seek layers you may can just see, and also I'm explained by comb as well, you can just see very well. That's my subsection, and the back portion I release the bottom portions. I'm just taking to the occipital bone bottom portions, giving the layers. One length basic I'm just going to be give. That it will be going to be add something it's more valuable on the haircut, which can be makes completely bouncier look. I'm just taking to the center profile, and rest of the hair drop it down and taking to the exactly 90 degree, and rest of the hair going to be add the layers. So bottom of the nape area here I'm just leaving as it is, and rest of the hair creating towards the layers, which can be make something create to the foundation of the layers. So that is never going to be collapse the length, and which can be make something a different part of it, and it looks so uniform and unique level. You can just see small section we used to take it, and just rest up there adding the layers. Now cross checking overall. Now I come to another side. And gradually slightly triangle, it will be just picking up to as a guideline according to the head shape, and towards the gradual the section of the crown, the horseshoe section bases we just traveling. This how much thin section it will be takes, it will becomes to something uniformity on the layers. On top of that, it is going to be give a unique look, and it comes overall neat and finishing up to the good ethicals. And finishing it looks so ultimately neat and clean look in these haircuts, and which can be makes more prettiest things than before and after also. The haircut I'm just cross checking. I come to the side portion. I'm exactly over directing to the rest of the hair. Now I come to another side, giving to the one length basic first. Now I release the crown portion. Front frame I'm just separating for a short bangs. Exactly, I'm picked from the bottom guideline. Rest of the hair I'm just converting for the layers. Now I release the front fringes to going to be slicing down. Pick from the back from the guideline, and in the fringes it will going to be give a short to long. It's in the front it will become very long. As it overall my cut finish, I'm just going to be give a messy blow dry. And after this, in this haircut we are never going to be seeing any texture. Why? Because after the haircut we just directly decided to give a straightening, and before that I'm just giving to the slicing to the front frames. What and all rest of the remains are left in the part. Now I come to another side and same technique I'm just following up. Now my cut is completely finished. I'm just going to give a messy blow dry. I'm just winding up this cut very soon. You can just see a lot of movements on the layers and just playing down. It will bouncier look, and this look is visible, very neat and clean as well. And why I'm always giving to the messy blow dry? Why? Because the roots can be comes to the very voluminous boost after the layers, and visibility also to be very flexible, and you can just see the more layers on top of that. So this is my final look. If you have any questions and doubt, please comments below. If you really like my video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.